Would you like 6 tips to start your home business, 6 sacrifices, 6 things that you have to give up and that you have to manage better in order to start your own business and be successful in it? William Georgeson here from williamgeorgeson.com. Very welcome. Number 1, friends who are not supportive. Friends who are not supportive. Very first time when you tell them, I am going to start a home-based business, they're most probably going to tell you it's a scam. They're most probably going to try and save you from being scammed out of your money, and they're going to be all supportive in getting you out of this business. But as soon as they realize that you're not going to back off and you're not going to back out and you're going to go through with this and you've got a goal that you want to achieve, be growing apart from each other. You're going to start thinking like a business owner. You're going to start talking the language of a business owner. You're going to speak up like a business owner, and you will just grow apart from these friends. But don't let friends, it doesn't matter how long you have been friends, how great your friends you are, don't let them drag you down. This is your goal. This is your dream. The good news is you will make new friends. Number 2 is hobbies. Hobbies take a load of time and it takes a load of money. Now, I'm so sorry to say this, you might have been doing this hobby for a long time, you might have been playing golf for a long time every Saturday, but you will just not be able to spend 6 hours or 8 hours on the golf course on a Saturday. It is just what it is. That is 6 hours or 8 hours that's gone missing from your business. 6 or 8 hours that you could have been building your business very positively. Once your business is up and running and it's really running well, you most probably wouldn't want to take the foot off the pedal. You most probably wouldn't want your business to slack down and to become slower again. You would want to carry on and build that business more and better. It's nothing uncommon if somebody asks a business owner, a home business owner, what hobbies do you have? And they say, I don't have a hobby, because they absolutely spend as much time as possible on their business in order to grow that business, in order to get that goal, to achieve that goal that they really, and that's the reason why they started the business. The third one is time. As sad as it sounds, you are going to have to manage your time much better. You're going to not have as much time for yourself as you've had before. You most probably also wouldn't have as much time for your family as you've had before, or for your friends, or to go out, or to do the things that was maybe a bit of a waste of time if you really look at it. So what I really want to say here is the time, the 24 hours that you have, you're going to have to manage it so well that you still have some time for your family, you still have some time to do the necessary things, and you have a lot of time to spend on your business. So your time that you used to have for yourself, to go and have a massage, to go to and sit in the spa pool, that sort of time is most probably going to be gone or in this building, especially in the building stage of your business. So yes, time is one of the things that you're going to be sacrificing. Number 4 that you're going to be sacrificing is sleep. Now, I know for a fact, and that works for me, that if I don't sleep enough, then my body quickly gets run down, and I start getting sniffles, and I don't feel that well. But I can promise you that if you're building a business and you're really serious about making a success, you're going to be having an average of 4 to 6 hours at night, per night sleep, and not more than that. You will get used to it, and there will be another time that you can sleep more. But in the building stage of the business, 4 to 6 hours a night, that is what you're going to get. Number 5 is quite a biggie for a lot of people, and this is you. What you're going to be sacrificing is the person that you are now. You're going to be changing. Let me explain. As soon as you start your business, you're going to start doing personal development. You're going to take in different information. When you take in different information, you're going to start thinking differently. When you start thinking differently, you're going to start acting differently in order to get a different result. It is just a logic sequence of happening. But what will happen after a year from now, you'll be looking back and you'll see a different person. You will be a different person. You'll speak a different language. You will use different words. You'll think a different way, and therefore getting that different results. So the person who you are now, look into the mirror and say goodbye to that person, because you're going to change. You're not going to change for the worse. You're going to change for the better, but you will be changing into a different person. It will be a pleasant surprise in the end. But people will be looking at you after a year and they will say, wow, you have changed. And truly you would have changed. So yes, you're going to be losing you. Number 6, entertainment. Now this is an easy one to get lost in. That football games, that Netflix, that sitting down, watching a movie, watching all sorts of programs. It does 2 things for you really. entertainment. I'm talking especially, not so much maybe sport, but when you watch movies or reality programs and that sort of things. The information that you take in is what you're programming yourself with. And what you're programming yourself with, that is the way that you're going to be thinking. So if that is nothing to do with your business or enriching your business or in building up your little library in your mind about your business or your product or how to run your business, then it doesn't serve you. It just doesn't serve you. And also it programs you completely wrongly. You've got 24 hours in each day. And I mean, in that 24 hours, if you do a lot of entertainment, if you watch a lot of movies, if you spend too much hours on it, that hours that's gone, it's gone. So entertainment is one of the things that you're going to have to sacrifice in building your business. If you enjoy this information and you like what I'm bringing to you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm coming out again with the next video.